Hello, welcome to Spot Money. Let's talk about trading today. I closed out 35.1250 and did pretty good. I traded ES today. I stayed out of most of the trading today. I ended up trading after the FOMC today. So I caught quite a bit of moves in here and I just took a little quick scalps and so forth. I traded anywhere from 4 to 12 contracts. It's usually my go-to. I don't usually trade more than that. Sometimes I trade a lot more, but usually 4 to 12 contracts is what I trade. As you can see over here, I go in 4 contracts, and then if I feel pretty good about it, I'll add 4 more, and then usually stop on another 4. But this was my trades today. If you want to learn how to do this, we're going to do live training. And it looks like there's quite a bit on here, but there's really not. And once you understand how this works together, it's actually pretty simple to run. This is an indicator that I made. It's called the institution. And open this up and make it bigger. The institution, and it tells you when the institutions are buying and selling. It's proprietary to me, and also have it to where it will put the triangles up here for you, so it helps you out. There's also a momentum indicator that lets you see the background. If you choose to do that, you can turn that off as well. I kind of like the background. It just helps me a little bit better. But I'm going to show you how to use this and how to trade better, and how you could trade the ES a little bit better using different skills and what we're looking for and so forth. So how you sign up is you come over to the Ninja or SpyMoneyLLC.com, and then come over here to training. I added this today. This is going to be a place where you can register. So anytime I have new trainings coming out, I'm going to post them here. I'm going to try to do 1 to 2 a week, and to do them for the public, and it'll help you out. It's all free. It doesn't cost you anything. There's no obligation. You're not going to be bothered. So you're either going to see it and want to do it, or you're not. And that's how I show everything. I will teach you a lot of things in there that's going to help you outside of the Ninja Suite. And so it'll probably help you in your trading as well, as far as what I'm looking for and so forth. You always learn. The end result is I think you'll do a lot better if you lease the Ninja Suite, either the indicators or the bots. And how we do that is we come up to the Ninja Suite. When you click on that, open up another page, and you can lease the bots and indicators together here, or just lease the indicators. With the bots and indicators, you get all of these bots up here. There's actually 15 bots now, and I think there's 4, 8, 12, 13. There's 13 here, but we've got 15 bots in the auto trading bot showcase. And then all of these indicators, and I've added a few more indicators on top of these, and it does really well. Also your trade copier, the toolbar, and then you have some drawing tools over here. Here's some frequently asked questions that you can go over. Just about every one of your questions will be answered here. As I get the same question over and over, I add it in here. So if you just read through this, you will more than likely get all of your answers to your questions you ask. There's some videos and such that you can watch, check out things. And if you need to contact me, just come up to the contact button, come down here and fill this out. I'm the one that gets these, so there is no bot or anything that auto replies. It's all me. And if you need to speak to me about what we're doing with it, then we can do that as well. Let me know how I can help you. And again, don't forget, sign up for this training. The training is Thursday, May the 4th. That's tomorrow, if you're listening to this on Wednesday. That's tomorrow at 10 a.m. Eastern Time. And it's how to trade ES using the Ninja Suite. This is going to be really good for you. It should help you out. Even if you don't lease the Ninja Suite, I think you'll learn a lot. Sign up for it, join us, and we will see you tomorrow at 10 in the morning. Have a great day.